Hi everyone, do you like pineapple upside down cake? I pulled this out of the oven 2 hours ago and look, my husband has already done a number on it. I got a quick, easy addition to the recipe. That's why I call it right side up cake, and it comes together really fast. No mixing bowl, no mixer, nothing. Just put it all in the pan, dump it in. That's why it's a dump cake. Do you want to see how to make this? Keep watching. Okay guys, here are the ingredients for a pineapple right side up dump cake. One of my favorites, been eating it for over 40 years. I'm going to use a 9x13. I picked this pan because it has a lid and it keep it airtight. I'm going to spray it with some non-stick cooking spray, 1 box of yellow cake mix. I'm going to use 2 different cans of pineapple crushed and the tidbits. I'm going to leave the crushed with the juice and drain all the juice off the tidbits. I've got 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I've got 1 stick of butter, some maraschino cherries, put them inside and on top, and some Eagle brand condensed milk. My oven is heating to 350 degrees. This comes together in 35 to 45 minutes. Excellent dessert. Oh, a new twist on our old favorite pineapple upside down cake. So let me get everything set up, get my oven to 350. Let's get cooking. Okay, I'm going to start with spraying my pan so it won't stick. You guys that know me know I hate heavy cleanup. And then to this, I'm going to add the crushed pineapples, 1 can. I'm going to add almost the whole can of the tidbits. I'm going to save a few for the topping. Give you a different texture with the tidbits and the crushed. Smooth that out. So you get some chunks in every bite for texture. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Traditional and pineapple upside down cake. Some maraschino cherries. Let's plop those in at random. You really want to get a scoop in every bite of cherries. And I have more. Like I said, I want to save some for the top. Get these out. Okay, then you want to top this with some yellow cake mix. Smooth that out to cover it. Really quick, easy dessert that I know your family will love. And then I do it a little different. I'm going to add a little bit of Eagle brand condensed milk. Make it super delicious. Then 1 stick of butter. I'm going to try and make sure the cake mix is all covered because this is what cooks the cake mix. Don't worry if you have some powdery spots. It will be fine. And I'm gonna top it with some, yikes. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, and then top it, lost that cherry. Just made a mess on the floor. Put a couple cherries on top so you know what it is. And the last little tidbits. In the oven, 350 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes. 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Perfectly brown, delicious, moist underneath with pineapple and cherries and brown sugar. This is a right side up pineapple dump cake. So let me tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, here's my joke. The first thing you should know about working in a mortuary, the teacher said as he removed his latex glove and inserted a finger right up the butt of the body on the table, is you can't be squeamish. The students grimaced as he motioned for them to line up and do the same, and the last student has stuck their finger up to the knuckle. The teacher popped his finger in his mouth and asked them to do the same. The class was horrified. Some of them threw up, some of them fainted, some of them were retching. Then the teacher said, the second thing you should know about working in a mortuary is attention to detail. I stuck my middle finger in, but I sucked my index finger. The third thing you should know, the teacher said as he picked up his briefcase and walked out the door, is that I don't work here. And the fourth thing you should know, said the man lying on the table with a smile, is that I'm not dead either. Oh my God, I kind of laughed at that. I thought that was sick. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Definitely give it a try, especially if you love pineapple upside down cake. This is a dump cake. There's no dishes, just little utensils to clean up because everything goes into the pan. And make sure you spray it because that way it won't stick. And I did drain some of the juice off of the crushed pineapple. You can use any kind of pineapple you want crushed. I mixed it with the tidbits. You can only use crushed or you can only use tidbits, whatever you like. But anyway, thanks for watching. God bless. I hope to see you on the next one. Have a great evening.